Hello friends, today we are going to look on physical inventory. Now physical inventory means it is to be done either in 6 months or in 1 year. Why it is to be done? Because when a GOLIVE starts, when SAP is implemented, then the material comes in, again it issued, again it is received, again it is issued. So at the end we don't know how much the material is there in the stock or in the store. So here we want to compare the SAP book stock with the physical stock. Okay, so for that we have only 3 steps with the 3 T codes. First is the MI01, in which we will be creating the physical document. Then next is the MI04, in that we will be entering the number of quantity which is available in the general store or stock physically, and MI07 it is to be posted, so that account document is to be generated. So here friends, we will be looking on this material 1528. Okay, first of all we will be looking at the book stock, that is SAP stock. So MMBE, so we put the material code, plant code and the storage location. Execute it. So we see in this plant the stock is in the unrestricted is 100. Okay, now we will be doing the counting, like physically, if it is physically say 50, so the balance is not correct. Okay, because the book balance is 100 and physically there are 50 stock. Okay, 50 numbers. So we will have to update this 50 in this SAP book stock. Okay, how? For that physical inventory is required. So as I have told, MI01, here we will be changing the date, and the plant is and the storage location for the material. Here we will be posting block checked. Okay, because during this physical inventory no goods received or good issue is to be done, as we are counting the stock. Okay, next we continue, enter, and we first put the material, that is 1528, enter. Likewise n number of materials you can feed. So n number means the materials which you want to do the physical entry. Okay, now we will save it. We will take one example with one material. We save this physical document, and you see this is the physical document being generated. Okay, now you come back and go for the second transaction code, that is MI04. Here you see the physical document automatically picks up fiscal year and count date. Again you change the count date to 12 and 06. Okay, press enter. Here you put the exact quantity which has been counted in the stock. So if it is say 50, so you put 50. I am giving an example. Press enter and then we save it. So you see this is the count entered in that physical document. Okay, only the count has been updated. Now in the next T code we will be posting it, MI007. Okay, so this is the physical difference. Initial screen, again we will be changing the date, delete it, 06, press enter, and so this is the difference quantity, you find it, press enter and then save it. So you see the difference has been posted with the document of the material document. Okay, now if we check the stock overview, now here unrestricted use it is 100 in the book stock, but we have updated it to 50, so it has not been updated due to the screen has not been refreshed. So we will be refreshing the page and you see it will be changing to 50. Okay, so this is the case in physical inventory. Now suppose this is 50, it is showing in the SAP book stock, but actually physically there is no material in the general store of this black bricks. So in this case what you will do, let's start first again with the MI01, continue, posting block, then change the date, press enter, same material 1528, and you create the document. So document has been created. Now we will count it with MI04, put the date, press enter. Here you put quantity 0, but system won't take. So you see a document, you see a button that is set 0 count. You click over here and ZC 0 count will be checked, but no quantity you will have to enter in it, and after that you will have to save it. So this has been entered. Now you come back and post it, that is MI07 with the count date as enter and then save. So the document has been posted, and now if you see the stock, it is 50. Now I have posted the document. Let me refresh the screen. It will appear as 0. Okay, there is no stock. So friends, I understand that you get the physical inventory process clear. I would like to request you to do the practical part. If you have any doubt, you can comment me or call me. Okay, thank you, bye.